What's up guys? Welcome to T.Heat for another review. Today we got spray paint made by Sico, I'm not sure how it's pronounced, but it's an exterior fabric spray paint, and the applications they claim it's good for is leather, vinyl, rugs, and more. It's got a 5-minute drying time. We're gonna put this all to the test. It's an oatmeal satin finish. It's a paint and primer all in one, and today we're gonna test it on an outdoor rug. It's got a straw finish with a rubber backing, and as the instructions claim, you should be doing an up and down pattern and try to overlap it. And they say 5 to 10 minutes drying time between each coat. So we're gonna put this all to the test and come back and share that with you. So stay tuned as I prep and get the safety equipment, the goggles and the mask, and we'll be right back. Welcome back. Okay, so we got our safety goggles and we got the mask. So let's put this on before we start. All right, now we're good to go. We got our can, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna go up and down pattern. So we'll start from the right to the left, and on our way back from the left to the right, we're gonna go in the middle pattern to overlap. So that'll be our first coat, and then we'll wait about 5-10 minutes, let it dry, and then come back and do a second coat. So right now, first of all, we'll just start shaking the can vigorously so it mixes very well, and we'll go from there. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you're liking this so far. Please like, share, and subscribe so we can make some more awesome videos. All right, here we go. So we'll stand about 6 inches away from the surface and start with our first. All right, now we're gonna go in between the cracks so we're kind of overlapping. All right, that's our first coat. Let's just give it about 5-10 minutes before we begin again. And we'll apply a second coat again, same pattern from right to left and then left to right, overlapping. Stay tuned and we'll be right back. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes, 5.5 minutes. This time I think I'm gonna try a different method. We're gonna go across from right to left, all the way down, and then go back in between and go across all the way up. So we'll try it that way and see how that handles. All right, stay tuned. seems to be applying very nicely. All right, now we're gonna go back up and we're going between the pattern. All right, it's the second coat. Give that another 5-10 minutes. Probably wait about 6 minutes and we'll apply another coat. Stay tuned and we'll see the results. All right, we're back for the third coat, final coat, because we won't have enough spray left in here to do another coat. So this time we're just gonna kind of fill up all the cracks and see where that goes. All right, here we go. Not bad, actually. Oops. Might as well use up the whole can. Fill in what we can. And we'll take it from there, see how it handled. I think it came out actually very nice. I'm not gonna lie. Not bad for a rookie, eh? Lay it on there. Very nice. And that's it. So now we'll give it about 10 minutes and come back and see how everything handled, how it looks. So stay tuned, we'll be right back.